Hello, I am Annalie and welcome to our another video on Google Meet. This time, we will cover about screen sharing. So guys, just watch there and let's learn together. First, we will open the Google Meet. And then, new meeting. This time, we will start an instant meeting. To continue, let us click this button. So again, you can share this link to the people who want to join the meeting, or you can add people here. For example, we will invite Alvin for this meeting. So guys, I'm now on a meeting but still waiting for Alvin to accept my invitation. Okay guys, maybe finally Alvin is here. So guys, this time we will share our screen to Alvin. By the way, you can add multiple people you want on a meeting. So we will simply click this guys, present now. We have this option guys. You can share your entire screen to your audience, and you can also share just a window, meaning you can choose what you want to share to your audience. But this time guys, we will share our entire screen to Alvin. So meaning we cannot hide anything to this audience. Sorry. Okay, we will share our screen now. So anything that we will open in our screen, Alvin will see it. Okay, Alvin, can you tell me if you see my screen now? I cannot hear you. Okay. Do you see my screen now?
Wait, I think there, see flowers.
Okay. So, guys, we already share our entire screen to Alvin. So, even we will transfer to any other tab, Alvin will see it all, guys. Pretty easy, right? Alvin?
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, I hope you have learned something from us today. So that is the way how to share your screen on Google Meet. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Say goodbye, Alvin.
Bye.
Okay guys, bye for now. Thank you for watching this video again. And see you in our next video.